So I started in English with confidence, and today I can speak English.
He speak he speaks English. Then can't why can't I speak English? This is my journey. Then he speak he speaks English. Then why can't I speak English? Uh,
Hello everyone. Today we are going to share our English journey.
Firstly, I would like to share about my journey. Uh, Once upon a time, I went somewhere. Then lots of person speak English, and, and my at that time some words came in mind. He he speak he speaks English. Then why can't I speak English? Then uh, I was we in intentional at that time. I will speak in English. Any sentence, right or not, I will do this thing. Then after some time, I started learning English. Firstly, uh, 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 some something care, like when when I, when I was learning English. uh, uh, I was care something. I learned sentences and sentence structure, vocabulary, grammar, and for the most of important basic things. I should have care. Then I am speaking something nowadays. Uh, this is my journey. Then uh, uh, then another thing, Mosam would we share about uh, journey?
If I talk about my journey, so my journey is not was not easy for me because when I was started in English, so that time I was afraid of learning English because first to 12th class I read English as a subject, not experienced as a language. So I didn't know anything about English, but I started learning English. I started learning English, and in starting I had to face lots of difficulties during tense structures and rules. But soon my fear is gone, and I said to myself that you can learn English and you can also speak English better than someone. So I started in English with confidence, and today I can speak English. So today I can speak English fluently. So this was my journey.
Thank you for listening to me. So